This trip to Vegas will be very different. Brings another level of, I'll say, anxiety.
The next challenge is the backhoe services
What I think
challenge.
matters in Vegas is that Brian is up to date on technology Caterpillar offers.
I have, a lot of seat time and equipment. Not all of it's newer with all the fancy tech and features in it, so I'm just trying to learn how they work.
Here it's like a laser level.
Caterpillar has a bunch of technology, very, very good, but it's a lot to take in one day, so I wanted to focus on certain points where it would be easy for him to remember. Payload, grade, and e-fence.
Tap that screen, it'll go through the 4 different...
I've run a lot of the E-Series and F-Series equipment, and those compared to the next gens, they stepped their game up, and they're nice. I enjoy running them.
Are we ready?
When I first signed up for the Operator Challenge and I went down the Seekonk, I was like, you know what, I'll just throw my hat in the ring, see just how I do. Next thing I know, I get a call that I have won, and then I'm going to the Carolinas to compete again, and go down there and win. Now I am the only, competitor from the U.S. representing the U.S. It's pretty surreal. It's pretty wild. Probably the most supportive and just excited person to see me compete would be my dad. He brings it up every day, talks about the trip, talks about me. I hear him on the phone with his friends and stuff like that, talking about it.
Brian going to Vegas, part of Milton CAT, and especially our team, it does mean a lot because our team specializes in the technology of Caterpillar, and we are honored to support him in his efforts in Vegas.
So far that I know is good. I'm gonna give it my all and hopefully bring this win home for America, Maine, and the Milton CAT family.